Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make Nigerian egg rolls. This is easy to make, it turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the dry ingredients and we're going to mix the dough and set it aside. So in a mixing bowl, I added in 2 cups of flour. Make sure you sieve in your flour. So I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. When done sieving in your flour, add in baking powder, salt, nutmeg, add in sugar and stir those ingredients together till well incorporated. Once everything has come together, I'll add in butter. Make sure your butter is in room temperature and then mix it together. You want it to look something like a breadcrumbs consistency, just like so. After, create a well in the middle and add in egg, milk. My milk, I'm not going to add it to it all at once, so make sure you add it to it bit by bit until you get the right consistency you're looking for. So after the first milk that I added, I mixed and then I added in the second, and then make sure everything has come together. Once it's formed a dough, don't over knead it. Knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes, just like so. Mold it well and then keep it in the bowl to rest for at least 20 minutes. The dough shouldn't be sticky at all. Cover it with a clean film and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. So whilst the dough is resting, let's go ahead and cook the eggs. I added 6 eggs to my saucepan. I'll add in water and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'll let it cook for 10 minutes, not more than that. 10 minutes off the fire, and then take out the eggs, the cooked eggs. So you want to transfer it into a cold water and then add in cubes as well. It stop it from the cooking process. It stop it from cooking. Once the cubes has melted, it has cooled down that your hands can handle it, go ahead and peel the skin. So as you can tell from the video, it's very easy for me to peel the shells. Sorry, first I said the skin. The shells. Once you add cubes to it, it stops it from cooking and it make it very easy for you to take out the shells. After, go ahead and preheat your oil. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on your wet surface and then transfer the dough on it. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on it as well and go in with the rolling pin. So I'm going to roll it flat and then the thickness should be around 6 to 7 millimeters. After, I'll go in with the round shape bowl and then cut a round shape as demonstrated in the video. So this recipe is very easy. You can use any bowl at all of your choice. Just measure, eyeball it, the eggs, the size of the egg and then the size of the bowl. So if the egg is large, you can use a bigger bowl. If it is small, you use a smaller bowl. Take out the excess and transfer the dough on top of the and transfer the egg on top of the dough. When done, bring it and then just pull the edge. When it's smaller, just pull it until you get a round ball shape as demonstrated in the video. Make sure it is sealed well. If not, it is going to open when you fry it. So please make sure it is sealed well. This is more or less what you're looking for. Simple, easy. So let's go in for another one. If it's too dry, just use water to brush the edge of the dough and then bring them together. Make sure it is sealed well, please, so that when you fry, it will come out nicely. Okay? That's what you're looking for. When the oil gets hot, fry those bad boys. And please stay close to it. Keep turning it until it's ready. You know, when you leave it on the fire, this is very heavy, and then when you leave it on the fire, it's going to burn on one side. So please stay close to it and keep turning it until these bad boys are ready. This recipe is very easy, it's delicious, you will love it. Serve as snack and just look at how beautifully it's fried. So this is serve as snacks, like you can eat it like that on its own. It's delicious, guys. This is delicious. So when you get to this point, it's ready. Remove it from the fire and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. Bear in mind, when you are frying this, you do not want to over fry them. If not, it will cook on the outside and then in the inside it wouldn't be cooked. So just set your fire on medium low and then let it cook slowly until you get to this point. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at how beautiful this turned out. This is delicious, it's yummicious. Please, please, please don't forget to share this video for me and let's grow up this channel together. See you till then, bye bye.